Luna Classic is about to make a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Once again, we have been absolutely killing it in our Telegram channel. This is just another reminder for those of you that haven't joined yet. We are providing daily updates on charts of all your favorite coins as well as your favorite trades. So make sure to check out the link in the bio if you want to make. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Luna Classic analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see from yesterday's moveset, we ended up breaking below a very key support level here at 16, as well as the fact that you can see that we saw a very nice pullback opportunity, retest our exponential moving averages, and saw a beautiful rejection. Right now, this is a very nice opportunity to be looking for a short trade. For those of you that were in the Telegram channel, we took a beautiful 30% opportunity and made some killer profits. But what I'm focusing more on is to see whether or not Luna Classic can try to break below these wicks right here at 15. The reason why is you can see, of course, from previous price analysis, there are a ton of buyers waiting at this midterm support level that was created, and ending up breaking below the support level will be our confirmation to start looking for an overall move set towards the downside on Luna Classic. Of course, for those of you guys that have been buying Luna Classic at these levels, I have warned you this many times to pay attention to the 18 resistance. Ideally, the fact that we can't break above this level, of course, is very bearish. You can see from all the way back in November, the bulls have been trying to reclaim this territory and failing to hold it as support. And as of right now, our exponential moving averages are also starting to look towards the downside. You guys already know, for those of you that have been watching my videos, 9 out of 10 times when that tends to happen, we have a very large move set towards downside, ending up breaking below our crucial support levels. And you can see, of course, that the 14 support level has already been broken many times, as well as the fact that we have ended up trading below this level as well. This is going to be very key for us to obviously see a clean breakdown formation of the 14 support, retest it as resistance, and that's your confirmation to start looking for an overall move set. In terms of major support levels coming up, we obviously have our 86 daily support as well as our 51 daily support in order for us to look for a possible buy opportunity, because right now with this current consolidation after a massive downtrend opportunity, this isn't something that we want to see. Usually when you bounce off a crucial support, we tend to see a very nice breakout opportunity overall. But the fact that Luna Classic has not broken above this key resistance level for the past few months, as well as the fact that now our exponential moving averages are being used as resistance, is a key factor that we have to keep in mind. If we do end up rejecting off these support levels and ending up using them as resistance, that means that we are looking for a continuation to the downside after a very nice consolidation zone for the past few months. This tends to trap a lot of people, hoping the fact that this is going to be the bottom, and we tend to see a huge move overall. We saw the same sort of formation right over here when we were consolidating within this 22 range, and for those of you that used to watch my videos back then, I warned about this many times as well, where we saw this consolidation and then we saw within one day a massive 4-hour candlestick breaking below these crucial support levels. You can see, of course, that right now we are extremely oversold on the 4-hour time frames, but if you look at the 1-hour time frame, we are already breaking below our exponential moving averages, as well as the fact that we are retesting this area as resistance. And the hourly time frame tells you a lot more than, of course, the overall time frames in terms of smaller positions. You can look for a trading opportunity a lot better on the hourly, and you can see, of course, the fact that we rejected this level multiple times in terms of the 17 resistance, which I mentioned to you guys that the fact that the 17 support level was a very strong area for in terms of a bounce opportunity, now it's being used as a resistance, and that's exactly why we saw a breakdown formation. A lot of you guys said Luna Classic is still bullish within this range, and I kept mentioning to you guys to put away your emotions and look what the charts are telling us. And right now the charts are telling us that this is in a downtrend. We have to be very careful here. Of course, we don't want to try to get caught within this range if we do end up breaking support, but of course, if this area is a fake out, the last resort that the bulls really have in terms of support is on the midterm at the 15 support level. Pay very close attention to this range, because if we end up breaking this level, things are not going to look good for Luna Classic overall. You can see, of course, even from the daily time frame, I mentioned this yesterday, the fact that we are now using the exponential moving averages as resistance and a stronger continuation towards the downside is not something you want to see from the bullish case. Before, we were using the exponential moving averages as support, which was obviously exactly what we were looking for, but now we have switched over to resistance on a daily, which is, of course, it has a lot more weight compared to the lower time frames. This is why I always mention to you guys, if the trades look bullish on the hourly, make sure you zoom out and look on the daily, because the daily will be able to tell you a lot more compared to the other time frames. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a one.